When it comes to the quality of the air we breathe, we usually think about the pollutions that are outside the home. However, according to experts, the air that we breathe inside the home is often more contaminated than the air outside. Plus, these days, the average person is spending about 90% of their time inside, much of which is sleeping.
Before you think to yourself, air quality is boring, please consider this. We live in environments where pollutants in the home are 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels, when our homes are unable to properly exchange the old air with fresh air. And according to the Environmental Protection Agency, a 6-room home collects on average 40 pounds of dust containing up to 45 toxic chemicals in a single year. Does that sound healthy to you?
No, it sounds gross. And the reality is, if the air inside the home isn't properly ventilated, it becomes more polluted than the city air we've learned to be afraid of. We as home builders and renovators have been getting increasingly better at making homes into sealed envelopes and leak-proof. This is fantastic for keeping heat in and unwanted pollutants and moisture out.
This is where the Intelli-Balance ERV from Panasonic can make a major difference in your home. Specially engineered for use in any North American and cold climate zone, this unit can pull air from the stale areas of your home, like your bathroom or your hallways, and supply fresh, clean air to the main living space of your home.
ERV stands for Energy Recovery Ventilation. ERVs recover both heat and cooling energy, tempering it with heat in the winter and cold in the summer, while also capturing moisture and helping to maintain comfortable relative humidity in your home.
As you can see here, this unit can be retrofitted into an existing furnace system. We have 4 lines running from this unit. This one draws in fresh air from outside and runs it through the MERV 8 filter. This line draws air from the existing cold air return, filtering and capturing energy back, while this line exhausts unwanted stale air. The last line here supplies the new air to the furnace to circulate throughout the home.
This is helpful for supplying the home with fresh air, as well as improving air quality. Ideally, this unit can be installed at the time of construction. That way it can have its own ductwork throughout the home and more efficiently exchange the air in the home. But as Dave mentioned, it can, like this installation, be retrofitted.
The Panasonic Intelli-Balance ERV gives you a ton of options for how you want it to run. You can integrate it with your furnace so that it runs whenever the furnace is on, and you can have the unit running constantly or in timed intervals.
Your ERV installer will need to calibrate this unit to ensure optimum performance.
Many of us are on a mission to a healthier lifestyle. Improving the air quality in your home is a key component to healthy living and a healthier home.
Panasonic.